All right, today I have a GMC Sierra and I'm going to show you how to open the hood on this GMC Sierra. I'm going to show you how to open up the hood so you can access everything underneath the hood that you need to access. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm inside of the GMC Sierra. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the vehicle in park, which it already is, and I'm going to turn off the engine. Boom, just like that. So once I've done that, all right, I am going to look towards the bottom left side of near the door and the foot pedal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up and I'm going to look down here. And do you see this button right here? Get in closer so you can see this a little bit better. There is not a button, but a lever. You see this right here? What you'll do is, see this lever? You're gonna pull it back. It's a car with a hood on it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my finger, go up right here, get the spot right there, and then pull back on it. You'll hear a little click. And so once you've heard the click, what you'll do is you'll walk around the vehicle, and then you'll go up to the front of the vehicle. And under here, there is a safety latch. You see, it cannot quite open up right here. So you have to find the safety latch, and I'll show you where it is once you open it. So I'm gonna take this safety latch right here, push it to the right, not to the left like Beyonce would say, and it pops open. This is this lever right here. Do you see this? I did like that, and it released it, and it pulled it open, and it stays open right there, just like that, and have access to everything that's underneath the hood. And when you're done, you just go ahead and take the hood and just close it down like that. And that is how you open and close the hood on this GMC Sierra. I hope